Namaste, everyone. Welcome to our preparation program for Navaratri 2024. This is Donna from Palai Center. My spiritual name is Rani, and we welcome you with love. So, what is Navaratri? Fully enlightened master Dr. Bhaskaran Pillai, whose picture you see on the screen, has said, "Every year, the 9 nights of the goddess are very important because they are potent with the energy of the goddesses. The yogis and the siddhas wait for this Navaratri time. It is the time when the energies of all the goddesses are abundantly available. The goddess has ultimate compassion for human beings, especially during Navaratri, to wake us up to an understanding of our capabilities for living God consciousness." So typically, the 3 goddesses that are focused on during these 9 nights are Durga, the warrior form of goddess Parvati, the Divine Mother, and we devote the first 3 nights of Navaratri to her. The second 3 nights are devoted to Lakshmi, the goddess of spiritual and material abundance. And the last 3 nights are devoted to Saraswati, the goddess of education, technology, and creativity. This year, Navaratri begins October 3rd here in the United States and will end October 11th. There will be very special programs and rituals during these 9 nights provided by Pillai Center, including a live initiation from Dr. Pillai. I'll talk about this later on in the program. So these community sessions have been designed to prepare our hearts and our consciousness to receive the blessings of these goddesses that we'll be able to connect with over the 9 nights. On our first night, we connected with Goddess Durga, the destroyer of demons and negativity. Last night, our focus was on connecting with Goddess Shrimbrisi Lakshmi, the goddess of spiritual and material wealth. And now tonight, we will learn about and connect to Saraswati, specifically Anuradha Kramana Saraswati. So during the next 25 minutes or so, we will hear a talk from Dr. Pillai introducing us to this powerful form of Saraswati, the goddess of education and creativity. And then we will chant her mantra. The words of the mantra will be on the screen. Chant aloud if possible. If not, silently is fine too. Allow the sound of Dr. Pillai's voice to enliven your consciousness and reveal your true nature as a God being. Let's begin.
On this day, I'm going to give you the mantra that can give you both intelligence, science and technological intelligence on the one hand, and the soul intelligence on the other hand, so that you are completely full. You can bring them together. So what's the sound? It is the sound of Saraswati, the goddess of education. And she has a form, several forms, and then she is revealing herself more and more. There has been only primarily one manifestation of her as Saraswati, of a goddess who has an Indian guitar called Veena in her hand and meditating with a rosary bead and sitting on a white lotus. And she is made up of antiparticles. She is real. She is not imagination. She is not part of mythology. And then there is yet another Saraswati called Anuradha Kramana Saraswati. There are temples have been identified for this goddess, and then it is becoming more popular now. They are going to be at least known through the efforts of Venkatrama Siddhar of Agastya Vijayam. I'm going to teach you now how to propitiate and call on Anuradha Kramana Saraswati. Close your eyes. Visualize a light starting from the heart, the middle of the chest, and then going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Let's visualize the light starting from the heart, going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Visualize the light starting from the heart, the middle of the chest, and then going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Let's visualize the light starting from the heart, going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Visualize the light starting from the heart, the middle of the chest, and then going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Let's visualize the light starting from the heart, going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Visualize the light starting from the heart, the middle of the chest, and then going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Let's visualize the light starting from the heart, going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Visualize a light starting from the heart, the middle of the chest, and then going to the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Let's visualize the light starting from the heart, going into the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Visualize a light starting from the heart, the middle of the chest, and then going to the third eye, into the crown chakra and out. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 Now chant with me. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. 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 ॐ अनुराधा क्रमणसरस्वती नमः। 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 ॐ Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. Om 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 Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. God bless.
We'll be closing our program shortly, but first I'd like to share information with you about the upcoming 9 Nights of the Goddess programs from Palai Center. For the first 8 nights, there will be special fire rituals, puja offerings, and immersion sessions led by empowered teachers who have been blessed by Dr. Pillai to teach on his behalf. Then, on the 9th night, Dr. Pillai will give a live initiation into 3 goddesses. It has been revealed to Dr. Pillai that these goddesses will be available and active in leading us into the Golden Age by removing obstacles and enhancing spiritual and material prosperity. So these 3 goddesses are Goddess Kali, who represents Dharma, or righteousness. She can defeat suffering, depression, heartache, and low self-esteem. She can destroy demons and negative forces. And this goddess can offer you supreme protection. Goddess Shrimbrzi can help you procure purity and beauty, achieve abundance in all areas of your life, and fulfill your material and spiritual desires. And finally, Goddess Anuradha Kramana Saraswati. She is associated with the realms of quantum computing and artificial general intelligence. She can help you conquer all ignorance and false knowledge, and she can unlock creativity and artistic aptitude. As always, there are different levels to join to fit your budget. You can join just Dr. Pillai's initiation on the last night of Navaratri. Or you can join that plus the previous 8 nights of rituals and immersions. Or you can join all of that plus proxy rituals done on your behalf at goddess power spots in India. The link for the website to get all the information, of which I have just barely scratched the surface, that link is in the description area underneath this video box. It is also pinned at the top of the chat box. And you can see from the image on the screen that the pricing is in US currency, but if you click the bottom link, it will convert the price to your own currency, making it very convenient for you to make a decision. So we hope you can join us for this powerful Navaratri celebration, which will begin tomorrow with an interactive fire ritual with Swami Nivali. We offer our deepest gratitude to Dr. Pillai and all the goddesses for the supreme blessings they have bestowed upon us in all of these sessions. Until we meet again, Goddess bless. We love you. Namaste.
Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha. Om Anuradha Kramana Saraswati Namaha.